Good morning, homeowners. Got this beautiful original hardwood flooring over here in San Bernardino. House built in 1930. This is gonna be nice. Let me turn this around and show you. So we're gonna end up staining this like a dark walnut, mostly because of the pet urine stains. Those aren't gonna come out, but once we stain it, man, it's going to be beautiful. These areas here, that's just, wear and tear from, walking on the floor over the years. You get your traffic pattern where you just wear it out, and nothing's been done to this floor in so long that nice little walnut feature strip around the fireplace. One of the cool vacuums. Yeah, so all of these things, this is just raw wood. You can see this line right here. Same thing right here in the hallway. It's just all the wear pattern. Come on, man. Focus. There it goes. So you can see that wear pattern. Got a little walk-through closet here. There we go. Focus. Yeah. All right, guys. This one you're going to want to watch. Get ready to hook up that machine, and this walnut stain is going to be beautiful. Beautiful. Last bedroom back here. Again, you can see that wear pattern. See where the bed used to be, so it's never been touched really. Excellent, excellent.